Back to school supplies, check. Getting back into a school routine, not so much. KTV's Taylor Deckard has more on how you can help set a good routine for your kiddos ahead of the new school year, and that includes taking care of your teeth.
You want some flosses?
Yeah.
Open up and show off your pearly whites. It's time to prioritize your oral health, starting them young.
Definitely, once summer hits, kids are totally out of a routine, so it's important that we stay in that routine of brushing twice a day. So one tip I do like to tell them is when you get up, have your breakfast, go brush your teeth. And then again for nighttime.
During the summertime, families often get out of routine, causing a few missteps away from good habits.
It's just really important that we try to keep those habits even when we're not in school, because usually when they're in school we tell them to brush, before they go to school, but since they're not going, we've got to find something else to relate to.
Kids are more susceptible to getting cavities, but if you have sweets and aren't brushing right, anyone can fall victim.
Just make sure we're limiting sugary drinks and snacks. Candies, gummies, those really get stuck in the teeth and can cause cavities.
Now we're talking routine. Getting looked at by the dentist every 6 months is also important.
Cavities can start at any point, and if there is not someone checking on them routinely, they can turn into go from needing a small filling to all of a sudden needing a root canal or even getting the tooth out.
The sooner you call, the more likely you can be seen sooner by the dentist.
Yeah, I just recommend getting your kids in while they're on summer break, before school starts. And so if you haven't come in for your cleaning or anything this year yet, make sure you get that in before the end of the year.
For Healthbeat 4, Taylor Deckard, KTIV News 4.
There, you get a nice.
At Siouxland Community Health Center, you can get all of your back-to-school checkups in one place and even make a stop at the pharmacy for any medication needed for the upcoming school year. Learn more about their services in the story now at KTIV.com.